Hi, welcome to Crewe Motor Match. My name is Vanessa and today we've got this Ford Fiesta ST. This is a 1.6 litre petrol engine in a manual gearbox, finished off in blue. This Ford Fiesta benefits from heated front seats as well as the rear spoiler, front stabiliser, bar suspension and the ST full body styling kit, which adds a very sporty look to the overall finish of the vehicle. It has halogen projector headlights with silver bezel as well as front fog lights with a black bezel with rear headlights and a third brake light at the spoiler. It has got ST design 17-inch alloy wheels which complement the exterior very nicely. Moving to the boot of the vehicle, it's got a very light and easy opening for your convenience, a 60/40 split folding in the back seats, which offers a great amount of space and can easily fit two medium-sized suitcases. In the back, passengers have a good amount of space with some storage compartments in the door panels and LED lights in the footwell. There is also 8 speakers dotted around the vehicle with front Recaro sport seats that heat up to keep you comfy in the cold winter months. Moving to the driver's seat, we've got this sporty, stylish ST leather-wrapped steering wheel with some buttons to change a radio station or songs. There is also a sport gauge right next to the main dashboard display. And moving on, we've got the Sony DAB digital radio, which you are able to pick your favourite radio stations. It's very easy to use and very quick. There is Bluetooth connectivity in which it allows you to have a hands-free phone and listen to your favourite personal songs as well. We've got a navigation system so you are able to set specific routes. There is also traffic jam alerts to make sure that you never get stuck on your journey, and even a map to have a visual aid. There are sound settings to enhance the sound quality in the Ford Fiesta so that you can fully have the best experience in the vehicle. There is also a climate control system which is very easy to use. The Ford Fiesta is also fitted with AC, which is perfect for the hot summer months, and under the ST badge there are the heated seats for the front passenger and driver with 2 cup holders for convenience. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, inquire online now and our friendly sales team will give you a call. Thank you very much for watching our Motor Match Crewe and we hope to see you very soon.